In today's world, the demand for secure and seamless identification is skyrocketing. As security threats evolve, so do the solutions designed to keep sensitive information safe. Our next story dives into the technology redefining secure access in various industries. From corporate offices to financial institutions, more organizations are turning to biometrics for reliable identity verification. In a digital-first era, fingerprints are becoming the key to secure access. At the forefront of this movement, Secugen is creating groundbreaking solutions in biometric fingerprint technology. One of these is the Hamster Pro Trio fingerprint device, which is specifically designed for environments that require the highest level of security. The Hamster Pro Trio combines Secugen's U20 fingerprint sensor with both a contact smart card reader and a contactless smart card reader. For secure, flexible access on the go, the Unity 20 Bluetooth offers a compact, wireless solution that pairs seamlessly with mobile and desktop devices. With advanced biometric features and FAP20 certification, it provides reliable, high-standard security wherever it's needed. Whether in finance, healthcare, or government, the adoption of such advanced biometric technology demonstrates the rising need for robust, user-friendly security solutions.